Oh, actually, there's two cows.
Okay, don't look. That's fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Oh, one of them's a bull.
Yeah, okay. Or not, it doesn't
Maddie,
matter.
go touch it.
Come here, Zuri. Get over there. Bad dog.
We're going to play
Rob the nest.
Rob the Nest. Does everyone know how to play that?
Yes.
Zuri, you're an idiot.
Okay. James, would you like to play?
Just for your own sake. That's it. Go on then. Back over the creek.
Yeah, so only one
did it
person
take
from
a
each
turn to all
team. So we need 3 groups.
We're a team.
Okay, so find your 3 teams. Do you guys just want to be on a group of 2?
Yeah!
I figured as much. So whichever team gets 6 on their plate first, wins.
Kenzie, Maddie, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you pumped? You've got to be fast.
Sure.
Emily, James, Billy, be focused. Take out the little ones.
Please don't take the little ones out. Go!
Oh, they're all in. It's Fast and Furious.
Hey, that's not fair.
Oh, it's accidental.
He just took all of ours.
Well, run faster, faster. Take him out, Kens.
Kenzie, okay? Look cows! Look cows!
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, do you all know how to play?
Yeah. Duck.
Yep.
Gentle.
Don't
Duck.
hit.
Yeah, you mean goose.
Payback time.
Nice.
Nah, you need low range for that one.
Oh. Oh, yes, James. Over there, yeah. Oh, oh. I knew we would do that. And Ken's is a fast runner.
Ready? Duck. Dog.
Ready?
Tilly's goose. And goose.
Oh, oh, run, run. Tilly's like, are you okay?
In this area, there's other little lollies. They range from lollipops to lollies. All stuff parents are going to love later tonight. So then you can just put your lollies in here.
Go, run in front of the car.
Has everybody been good this year? Yes. Have you been a good girl?
I have, Santa.
Sit on my lap later. I've been a good boy.
Oh!
So Greg, not a fan. Not a
Okay, so who has been good this year? Oh, blimey, they always say big is best. Let's start with that.
Are you in the...
Oh, up there it's rather cold, so I've come down here. Because I've come down here, I'm not used to this heat, so I had to wear thongs. Do I have a Zach here? Is there a Zach anywhere? Where? There! You better climb up here, Zach.
Santa's a bit hot, I think.
Oh, let's just have a bit of a cover up here. Hello, Zach. Have you been good this year? Do I need to check with your mum and dad?
Yeah.
Oh, check with them.
Awesome.
Because you've been good, and I hear quite a few people have at the moment, you can start the ball rolling.
What do you say, Zach?
Yes, well, I went through a storm before, you see.
No, you just went through the trees.
It was the dust. I got stuck. Would you like me to hold this?
Hey, Zach, can I get, before you rip it open, can I get a photo?
Kenzie, just Kens, duck down.
Ho, ho, ho! Used to this weather. Me magical hat. Do I have a Louie anywhere? Louie!
Oh. That is cute.
It's alright, this suit is a very expensive suit. Happy Christmas, Louie! Santa knows these things.
Oh, does he?
Here we go, Louie. There we go.
She won't know you.
Who knows what Santa's favourite colour is?
Red.
Hot pink. It's purple.
Hot pink.
Miss Lilford?
Clifford.
See, Santa's getting on a little bit, so his eyes aren't what they used to be. I left them on the
Yes.
pole.
Yes.
Do we have a Miss Clifford?
Stand up.
There we go.
Oh gosh.
There's that brandy. That's what I'm supposed to have. Merry Christmas, Mrs. Clifford.
Thank you.
I hope you've been very good. Do you know what one of my favourite animals is?
A dog.
Sharks, and that's why you got that as a present from me, because they're my favourite. Yes, I love. Do you know when Santa's on holiday, he swims with sharks, but they're good. Sharks are our friends. Do we have an Emily here by
Where?
chance?
I don't know.
No.
No, she's gone home, I
Emily, up you get.
think. Sarah's like, this is my home.
I heard a rumour about your behaviour this year.
You have not been good, and that's why you got charcoal.
Merry Christmas, Emily.
Thanks, Sarah.
Oh,
Do you want to be better for Facebook?
That's all right. It says to Santa, so I'm covered. Now, obviously, I'm very busy and I can't do all the work myself, so I have to rely on my elves. The elves don't necessarily perform too well all the time, like when they sellotape the card down to stop you from reading the name.
Just do it from the top.
Would you like some help, Santa?
Emily, do we have an Emily here? That's okay. I don't always buy.
Don't do with that.
Too early in the day.
Santa.
How about you hold this one? What's going on?
I think your hair's a bit funny, Santa.
There we go. That's for you. Let's have a look. Smile and say cheese. Oh, we're smiling with a big cheesy grin. And you know what? If you keep being good, I'll come back later in the year. Naughty or nice? Unfortunately, there's no peaking until December. So I believe I have a
No,
Maddie
find the
here.
bin. I'll put it in the
Yes.
fire.
Come up, Maddie.
Put the paper in the fire.
Come and sit up here. Merry Christmas, Maddie. Now, just remember, no peaking till December.
Oh well.
My God,
Oh, we got the same paper.
Protect.
Billy, it's not for you. Harry, come on with Ruby. Ruby can join in.
Oh,
John
one
Henry.
hand. There we go.
There we go. Never too old for Santa, that's what I say. Merry Christmas, Harry.
Harry, that's not for you. That's for you.
What did you get?
Do we have a Kenzie? I've forgotten. Oh,
What just says
okay,
Kenzie,
well,
doesn't it,
no,
Sarah?
no. It's
No,
it's a
her
Kenzie.
nickname's Kenzie.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okie dokie, the elves, I tell you, they're not on the game today. Merry Christmas, Kenzie. Happy early Christmas. There we go. I'm very itchy. This is itchy for you. How Santa feels.
You're covered in bugs.
I have to wear this from now until Christmas.
Have a busy Christmas. I think it's going to have to in the morning.
Oh, Now, by process of elimination, James, it's not for you. Billy, up you come, Billy.
We got the same.
Oh,
Don't fall.
you've got to be careful. It's like a
Clifford's
holder.
already
They
had a go
don't
at
even exist anymore. So it's all I could get at short notice. So, there we go, Billy.
The insurance
Happy
company didn't
Christmas,
come through
Billy.
this year.
It's okay, let's go. He definitely put a lot of
Oh, I love Santa.
Oh dear.
That's it.
We know you're holding it.
Oh.
James.
Hey.
There is one left for James.
one last
Up you come, James.
Yeah, no.
Now, I would ask, have you been good? No, okay. So let's not ask that. Happy Christmas, James. It's an early one. Now, you've got to be good until December. And I'll come back and see you. Oh, dear.
Very fun for Dad.
Merry Christmas.
No, for his dad. Who is...
Ho, ho, ho,
Should we
everybody.
try and get a group photo?
Oh wow, it has a screen on both sides.
Oh yeah.
That's really cool. And here we have a wild Andy
Fire pit hunter.
in his natural habitat.
Pacopitis. A
Obnoxious
rare disease that happens every time one goes away.
communicating is a struggle. 1 minute in and there's already a stutter.
So if you get one of those, then it's easy.
Yep.
But I don't think at this stage.
Run, hide. It turned off. Oh, we're filming. Ready?
No, it's not.
Like, wait, can I?
no, that's right.
Oh no, it's still got full battery.
Okay, so
I must be pressing something. Tilly, what did you like the most about your weekend? Tilly! That's a big no. Hello, I've been given a special request to do interviews.
Interviews. Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
What did you like the most about your weekend?
Oh, the four-wheel drive trip we did over the tracks.
Yep. What did you like the most about your weekend?
The same as Peru.
The 4-wheel drive yesterday.
Yep.
I agree. What did you like the most about your weekend?
The food.
The food. Yeah. Food. Thank you guys. Yes, down here. What did you like the most about your weekend?
How much help you gave us packing up, Bill?
Yeah.
No, it was good, that hill.
That 4-wheel drive yesterday. What did you like the most about your weekend, Mum?
Family time, Bill. Good company.
I think Ruby liked the barking. Okay. What did you all like the most about your weekend?
Meeting all of you. Yes, all you lovely
I like
children
Santa.
screaming
Santa.
at night
Yes. Did you like the treats? Yes.
His name's Bill as well.
Ah.
Good name, hey.
Yeah, obviously. Still filming? So, what did you like the most about your weekend?
Good fun, good people.
Good people?
Everyone got to play, and yeah, great time. Very good time.
I agree. That was
You
good.
agree?
What did you like the most about your weekend?
The company.
Whose company?
Everybody's.
Everybody's?
Yes, especially yours.
Thank you. What did you like the most about your weekend?
All your professional dog tips, you know, like I know how to look after my little baby dog better now.
Yes.
You're full of knowledge and help with a dog.
Thank you.
Right, that's good.
Speaking of which, where is Louis?
Louis is in the front if you want to go and have a look. He's in the front of the car.
Hello! What did you like the most about your weekend, Louis?
eating my own present.
Oh yeah, did you like your own little present that you got from Sandy? What did you like the most about your weekend? Was it the full drive trip yesterday?
I don't know, missing the mud.
Yes. Fair enough. What did you like the most about your weekend?
Oh, the drive yesterday was pretty awesome, I reckon.
That's most people's response?
Yep.
Pretty common? you like the most about your weekend, Groot?
Wait, I know what Groot likes
Walking around.
about his weekend.
What did you like the most about your weekend?
Coming camping.
Camping is a pretty reasonable response. What did you like the most about your weekend?
The fact that I'm packing up to go home now.
Yeah.
And I could drink lots of rum.
Okay. You?
Oh, I think it has to be the fireplace. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Keep nice and warm.
Mhm. What did you like the most about your weekend?
Oh, meeting all the new people.
That's fair enough. What did you like the most about your weekend? We're running out of people.
Going down to the creek.
Down to the creek.
What did you like the most about your weekend?
My weekend, probably, yeah, probably meeting all the friends and all the dogs, and probably the most exciting part was the four-wheel drive trip yesterday. The wilderness. We found a creek, currently unoccupied, cars in a campsite. Currently going up a big hill to try and find some civilization. I'm Bear Grylls and you're watching, I don't know, old worn down fences are always a sign of danger. This pathway is treacherous in every way imaginable. Civilization. Angry mothers, fathers, parents, a nice trip in the creek.
Tilly, up. Yeah, Tilly.
Are you playing follow the dog?
Yeah. Tilly, come back.
Lily.
There you go, Tilly. Down.
Good job, Tilly.
Tilly dog. Follow the leader.
Now, that torment really makes everything look super short. Let's get something to scale, hey? He doesn't look that high, hey?
Tilly, come on! Good girl, Tilly. Don't run in front of me. You're getting in the hard way.
Rocks. Tilly, how'd you do that? That's how you stay up. These things really do make stuff look shorter than they do. Hello, Tilly.